What's up, y'all? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video, man. If you don't already know, my name is Brandon Jones. I help you make an extra income, and I got a ladder swaying back and forth in the back seat because I had a plan to do something today. I don't feel like doing it, but I'm gonna get it done. So I got a new sign today. I am trying to boost the marketing in front of my store because my store can get some traffic, but not as much traffic as I want. So I am working on every week doing something new to my store, whether it's online or whether it's in the store, to help boost it. And like I was telling you guys, I have a big obligation to you guys to be as transparent as possible. And like when you guys hear me or see me pausing do videos, is because I'm trying to think of the most accurate words to describe, one, how I feel, but two, to think about you guys and how you guys could relate to what I'm trying to say or what I'm trying to, the message I'm trying to relay. My store doesn't get as much traffic as I want it. It doesn't, so I have to get better, and I have to do better, and I have to market better. With this ladder is gonna help me with this new sign that I got. Start the market more, because I gotta get better. Like, my marketing gotta be like this, like that. Like, that's some good marketing. But what my plan is right now is to actually boost my marketing and make it better. But also, I want people to be able to see exactly what I offer. I want to be able to hook them in. I want to be able to bring them in. And my store right now ain't doing it. It's not doing it. The signage is not where I want it to be. So we're gonna make it better. Ladder, bro, I need your assistance. It's not gonna be that I got a new ladder. I got an easier one, but I just need to put this up real quick. It'll be taking us like maybe like what, 15 seconds. That's how I look right now, y'all. So it's bad. So I need to get more of a sign up. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So I put the sign up, and the new sign that I put up has $25 home of the $25 repairs, right? Like, this is why I just watch what I'm doing, bro. Oh my God, I just hate people in Philly, bro. I just hate them. Some people, they just be too hype. They just be way too hype, yo. But so the sign is working wonderful. It is actually drawing people in. And my main thing with my business is not the business making money, but the business continuing to scale is the problem. Like, I just want to, every time I've got to a certain point, it's like I plateaued. It's like I couldn't get up more. And I think the reason why is because I wasn't investing in the look enough, you know? And at this point in time, I think it's very important for us to understand, just as entrepreneurs and just as people in general, for us to understand that sometimes we have to understand that we can never stop looking to continue to be better. And settling, becoming complacent becomes one of our worst enemies, because something can be so comfortable and something could be going so smoothly, and you just stop working on it, and boom, nothing else improves, you know? Nothing else improves. And that is a big issue. We cannot continue to let that happen. We have to figure out how we can make things continue to get better no matter where we're at in life. And that was one of my biggest problems. So with this store, I just want to really keep pouring into it. Now every day I wake up, it's 7:27. Every day I wake up and I'm just full speed ahead. Like, I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to become better. I'm trying to make it better. I'm trying to, you know, just build. I'm just trying to be better, because I understand that every time you hit every time you hit an accolade, you hit a plateau. It's like an up and down type of thing, right? And here's the thing, you always want to be prepared. So whether it's running ads, like I wasn't running that many ads, I wasn't doing a lot of different things, just relying on influence to bring people in. But it's like you still have to push more. And the main message I'm trying to give to you guys is never get too comfortable, never get too complacent, never feel like there's somewhere is not a way that you can improve, and never stop. When you wake up, your main goal should not just be to check your phone for what drama happened. It should be, let me figure out how I can become better today. How can I become 1% better today? How can I make sure that today I am not the same as I was yesterday? How can I make sure that I am pushing myself 10 times harder? How can I make sure I have another income? How can I make sure this can happen? Like, I always have new things popping up in my head, and I used to sit there and not try and act on it. But now recently, I've been literally sitting there doing everything I put my mind to, and some things fail. Some things never gain traction, and some things do. Some things do not pan out. Some things do not happen. Some things, it's just like, Brandon, that was stupid. But guess what? I tried it, and now I learned why it won't work, and I will never have the regret saying what if, you know? So it's like, we can't allow ourselves to be put in a box. We just cannot allow that. We have to continue to push harder. We got to. So I want you to understand that concept, and whoever needed that, I hope you listen to the whole thing. And I hope that you just don't ever get complacent again. All right, guys, so this is going to be the sign now. Now, a lot of people may be wondering why I don't have the whole big sign like that, and I'll explain to you why. So I have this sign right here, and then I'm gonna have another one right here, and I'm gonna explain to you why I'm doing this. So guys, the reason why I do not have a physical, like a big board sign, is because I had one in my other store, and the problem is they're so expensive that when you want to change them, it's like it's not profitable. It's no reason to change it. And I honestly am still trying to transition my store from being a main retail store into just becoming a wholesale store. So eventually I want to transition my business to a whole different type of realm. But I don't know if this location is going to be it's going to be in this target market that I want it to be. So I'm still learning, and I'm still trying to assess this location to see if it's going to be a valuable wholesale location. Therefore, I'd rather get disposable signs and pay $90 each one rather than pay $500 and have a big board and lighting lit up, and I don't know if I wanted to say wholesale, if I wanted to say resale. So just give me a couple, like probably till next January, you know what I mean, for me to really figure out what I want to do with this location, and then I'll have a bigger, better sign. But for right now, I'm okay with being able to mix and change and interchange, and be able to just customize what my storefront says, if that makes sense. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video, man. It means the most to me, and I hope you guys continue to make money work for you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.